Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino, taking a look at Tesla. Let's jump to the daily real quick. So we have our divergence setup still on the daily, so keep an eye out for that. It's reinforced with today's price action. Still need a close below today's low, right at where the rotation zone is. So this was today's low, which came in at 756.69. So watch for that. Any move below that, then we'll start watching for stuff down around 715 to 720 on the 4-hour chart. Upper levels have not really changed, so still 816 and 857 to the upside should we not confirm the divergence yet. By the way, rotation zone on the daily, we still have this gap left behind. You're going to find some key support coming in at this GAN level and with the rising rotation zone about 737. So that's the first level to watch before 715. 737 should we break below today's low. And then we're going to be watching for that gap fill and then the 715. And then the major support now coming in at 670. What's today? The 28th. So they release earnings after hours tomorrow and then the conference call. So it might be quiet going into earnings. Maybe some people will take something off the table. We shall see what's going on. Just trade smart, know your key levels, know where your stops are and your profit taking. And we will talk to everybody tomorrow. Bye for now.